Did you know the billionaire who backed Twitter and Uber makes every big decision using a simple question from ancient philosophy? Naval Ravikant asks himself this: what will I regret more in 10 years? Trying and failing, or never trying at all? This comes straight from the Stoics. They taught that you can only control your actions, not the results. Every morning, Naval meditates to clear the mental noise, just like Marcus Aurelius did 2,000 years ago. He believes you can't get rich renting out your time. You need specific knowledge plus leverage. But here's the deeper truth. The Stoics knew that saying no preserves your energy for what matters. Naval breaks down complex problems using first principles thinking. Strip away assumptions, find the core truth. Ancient wisdom meets modern wealth building. The Emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote his thoughts in a tent during war. Naval shares his insights on Twitter. Same principles, different tools. When you face your next big decision, ask Naval's question: what will you regret more, the attempt or the avoidance? Your future self already knows the answer.